How to resolve Webroot installation and uninstallation error. 2 quick solutions. Method 1. Uninstall from Application Wizard. Step 1. Click on the system tray, right-click the Webroot program and select Shutdown Protection. Step 2. Click Yes on the pop-up window to proceed. Step 3. Type in the reCAPTCHA and click Continue. Step 4. Click on the system tray again, right-click OneDrive and select Exit. Step 5. Click Close OneDrive in the pop-up prompt to proceed. Step 6. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape keys together at the same time to open Task Manager. Step 7. Locate Webroot, right-click on it and select Open File Location. Step 8. Check the file location and close the window, then minimize the Task Manager. Step 9. Now navigate to the Control Panel and click Uninstall a program. Step 10. Select Webroot and click Uninstall. Step 11. Click Yes on the pop-up confirmation window. Step 12. Fill up the reCAPTCHA and click Continue. Step 13. Right-click and select Refresh, then check and see if the uninstallation was successful. Method 2. Uninstall manually. Step 1. Click on the Windows icon, then search Command. Step 2. Right-click Command Prompt from the result and click Run as Administrator. Step 3. Run the command /program files /webroot /wrsa.exe uninstall. Step 4. Click Yes in the uninstallation pop-up prompt. Step 5. Fill in the reCAPTCHA and click Continue. For more such help and information, visit us at www.antivirustales.com or call us at +1 857 557 6826 +44 161 791 4591.